And Anthony, how will the new system actually work?
Well, there's going to be essentially a grace period. There's talk of the need to ensure that the country's electronic health system can cope with all the information and the various stages of interlinkage between vaccination and its new law. And what this effectively means is that it will be before or after the middle of March when the police actually start to be able to issue violations, as it were, that can then result in these fines. The fines can total up to €3,600 in a year, and that has led, of course, to suggestions that for people who are well off, this is something that's affordable as the price for not getting vaccinated, and that it will only really hit the people who don't want to get vaccinated and who are not well. What we've been told is that nobody's actually going to go to prison, but of course these are violations of the law, and they can result in some pretty hefty penalties.
Anthony, is there still a significant degree of opposition to the mandate?
The leader of the far-right Freedom Party, Herbert Kickl, in a statement today, again, and this is something that he's done in the run-up to this, spoke in quite dramatic terms of the kind of demise of Austrian democracy. He has likened this to an assault on freedom. He's even in the past talked about the rise of totalitarianism in Austria, all very incendiary language, directed, of course, at the base of the far-right Freedom Party, which has recovered quite significantly since a scandal engulfed its former leader, former Vice-Chancellor Heinz-Christian Strache. And of course, he's playing to that base. It should be noted as well that there is still very significant skepticism about this law and about the vaccine mandate in Austria. We're still only at roughly 80% or so in terms of valid vaccinations. And we've got a whole bunch of people who are going to fall out of the system because they haven't got their boosters yet. So a sizable portion of the population still in opposition to this law. And of course, Herbert Kickl, the leader of the far-right Freedom Party, playing to that. They hope that at some point there's going to be an election and that they will be able to translate this incendiary language into gains in the polls.
Anthony Mills reporting there from Vienna. Thank you.